God, I mean, I can't believe it was totally, excuse me, it was totally downpouring last night. It was an amazing lightning storm. That was cool. That was cool. I'm glad Ranger was there to experience it with me. She was even scared for a minute. The first crack of thunder that we heard, it was super loud and right above us and shook the camper, and it woke us both up. We both like woke up and just stared at each other for a second. Yeah, well, Ranger, that was crazy. But anyway, we're on our way to Leavenworth now. I reserved a spot right in Leavenworth, nothing special, but it's got power and it's got internet and it's got showers. So this RVing is a pretty cool thing. I could get used to this. So I'm gonna check in later. We're also going to the pump track tonight, so I want to hurry up and get there, get disconnected, and then Ranger and I will go down to the park where the pump track is, and I'll bring the dirt jumper down there, and we'll bring the GoPro, and we'll do some more of that. So yeah, on our way to Leavenworth. Oh, look at us. Here we are, downtown Leavenworth. I forgot to break out the camera. I'm already set up at camp. I'm at the RV spot. I met with a lady. I'm in spot 24. I'm all disconnected, leveled. Everything is all set up for when we get back to make dinner. So I'm just beelining it over to the pump track with Ranger before it gets too dark, so we can get some pump track lines in, because I've never ridden this pump track and it's bigger than the one by my house. So here we go. Ooh, we got some puddles. Definitely some puddles going on here. It's not like my pump track where I know all the lines. Kid doesn't watch what he's doing. Heading back through Leavenworth now. Still kind of a lot of people out for a Sunday. Don't you people have jobs to get to tomorrow? I mean, I'm off. I guess other people can be off. It just seems weird. There's this many people out and about at, what is it? I don't even know what time it is. 7 o'clock. 6:59. 7 o'clock on a Sunday in downtown Leavenworth is the place to be. Yeah, pretty cool. Let's get back to the camp spot and I'll show you where we're camping. There's a little RV spot we found, a little RV lot. And here we are. Here's our spot right here. Number 24. Land of Liberty, it says on the tree. We're home, Ranger. Ready to get some food? The hungries? Not really, huh? Not much reactions out of you. Little chicken burrito-ish things I made. Just chicken and grilled chicken and cheese in a tortilla. But check out my neighbors. Bunch of adventure bike guys. Looks like they're already passed out. They're all on BMWs. R1250. R1250. Man. Excellent. Yeah, this is my camp spot. Tucked in, got the AC on, cooking food. What can I say? It's pretty rad. Pump track was fun. I'm tired. I think I could probably got like a 45-minute drive tomorrow to get where we're going to ride the dirt bike. And then we'll see how we feel. I think the loop's only like 20 miles. Probably doing a couple hours. See how I feel when we're done. Might just smash home tomorrow when we're done riding. That way I have all day Tuesday back home. Just kind of relax. And then go back to work till Wednesday. Anyway, I'm gonna eat this last burrito. And I'm gonna drink some of those beers. 'Cause I earned it.